welcome to Cool Q. Now you could either talk vintage or you could mean recycle. Either ways, there's no doubt about the fact that old is gold. Not quite getting the drift? Well, over the next 30 minutes, you will realize how cool old really is.
As we walk through Mumbai's famed Chor Bazaar, Corey Walia creates magic with expired makeup. And three youngsters dig into junk to create something new.
These three youngsters in particular, well, they absolutely fascinate me. And that's simply because they can revamp just about anything old and make it look new. They may live across cities, but they have their hearts in the same place. Their junk boxes and their mom's wardrobes.
Hi, I'm Neha and this is my crazy little sister, Shikha.
Hi.
Welcome to our house.
Come, let's check.
Hi, I'm Ashika. I'm 18 years old and I'm in my first year of college. Though I'm doing history honors, I actually really want to be a fashion designer. So in my spare time, I go around all over the house picking up random useless stuff and turning it into something pretty.
This is our room.
And this is our wardrobe.
Shikha, wasn't it your turn to clean the
I think it was your turn.
No, it was yours.
It was yours. Okay, we'll keep fighting. Let's show people what we made.
These days, my latest hobby is raiding my mom's wardrobe and I found amazing stuff there. So why don't you come with me and have a look?
So, you remember I made this for your birthday last year?
Yeah, I remember, but I know how you made me pay for it because I had to barter this bangle.
I made this too. You actually made this one, remember?
Yeah, it's much cooler than yours.
Whatever. And you remember how we took that chain which was 10 years old and we took the pendant from it and we dazzled it. It looks cool now with safety pins.
And this one that we made from all the unusual things lying around at home and made it into a funky bangle that you can wear anywhere.
So this is my room and this is some of my mom's stuff that I picked out. That's a box of all her old jewelry and trinkets and stuff. And these are some of her clothes. My mom is, I think, one of the most gorgeous women I've seen and met and known. And I really like this picture of hers, but unfortunately you can't see her clothes that much. So here's another one. And I found some stuff like this, but it's a little difficult to wear it now because she wore it in the 80s and it was a little extreme and dramatic. But I've modified some of them to suit my needs. This is something I'm really proud of, my very own creation. I love this outfit. And you'll never believe what I made it out of. My mother's ghastly old salwar kameez. I took it, cut it up and turned it into this.
So now you know why I love them so much and commend their creativity. Now Shikha came up with a great idea for a challenge and we applied it across Delhi and Bombay.
You want to do something, you want to make something for me with stuff lying around in the house?
Yeah, sure. It's been a long time since we've not made something for each other.
Come, let's do that. So half an hour, you make something for me, I'll make something for you.
Cool.
And let's meet in half an hour. Okay?
Okay.
Come on.
Tuba.com